Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we delve into the fascinating world of ecology and explore the wonders of our planet's incredible biodiversity. I'm your host Aristotle, and today we're going on an expedition to the deep sea to uncover the secrets of one of the most enigmatic creatures in the ocean, the vampire squid. The vampire squid, also known as Vampiroteuthis infernalis, is a small, deep-sea cephalopod that inhabits the oxygen-poor waters of the eastern Pacific Ocean. It's a member of the order Vampiromorpha, and its name comes from its dark, webbed arms and cloak-like skin, which give it an otherworldly appearance. But don't let its sinister looks fool you. This creature is a fascinating example of evolutionary adaptation, with a unique set of features that allow it to thrive in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. From a scientific perspective, the vampire squid belongs to the phylum Mollusca, which also includes octopuses, squids, and clams. Its biological classification is still a topic of debate among scientists, but recent studies suggest that it's part of a distinct lineage that diverged from other cephalopods over 300 million years ago. The vampire squid's habitat is characterized by near-freezing temperatures, crushing pressure, and a lack of light, making it one of the most extreme environments on the planet. One of the key researchers who contributed to our understanding of the vampire squid is Dr. Bruce Robertson, a marine biologist at the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute. His team has been studying these creatures in their natural habitat using remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs. Their findings have revealed some remarkable insights into the vampire squid's behavior, including its unique way of moving through the water using a pair of retractable, thread-like filaments. But what makes the vampire squid so fascinating is its ability to survive in such a low oxygen environment. Scientists believe that it may have a specialized respiratory system that allows it to extract oxygen from the water more efficiently, or perhaps it can slow down its metabolism to conserve energy. Some researchers even think that it might be able to use alternative sources of energy, such as chemosynthesis, which would allow it to thrive in areas where other animals wouldn't be able to survive. As we explore the vampire squid's ecological relationships, we find that it plays a crucial role as both predator and prey in the deep-sea ecosystem. It feeds on small fish, crustaceans, and other invertebrates, using its bioluminescent spots to lure them in. At the same time, it's an important food source for larger animals like anglerfish and frilled sharks, which have adapted to the harsh conditions of the deep sea. But the vampire squid is more than just a curious creature, it's also an important indicator species. Changes in its population or behavior can signal broader shifts in the health of the ocean ecosystem. For example, studies have shown that the vampire squid's distribution and abundance are closely tied to the oxygen levels in the deep sea, which are declining due to climate change. This makes the vampire squid a valuable sentinel for monitoring the impacts of human activities on the ocean. One of the most remarkable things about this creature is its ability to turn its skin into a cloak of darkness, making it nearly invisible in the dimly lit deep sea. It achieves this by expanding its skin cells to cover its bioluminescent spots, creating a dark, uniform color that helps it blend in with the surroundings. Another intriguing aspect of vampire squid behavior is its unique way of communicating with other members of its species. Scientists have observed that these creatures use a complex system of flashes and pulses to convey information about food, mates, and potential threats. This language is still not fully understood, but it's clear that the vampire squid has evolved a sophisticated way of interacting with its environment and other animals. By studying the vampire squid and its place in the ecosystem, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of relationships that binds our planet together, and we can also learn more about the importance of preserving the health of our oceans, which are facing numerous threats from climate change to overfishing. In fact, the vampire squid story is closely tied to the larger narrative of ocean conservation. The vampire squid is just one example of the many fascinating creatures that call the deep sea home, and its study can inform our efforts to protect these environments for future generations. So, what can we learn from the vampire squid? For one, it's a reminder of the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Despite the harsh conditions of the deep sea, this creature has evolved to thrive in an environment that would be hostile to most other animals. It's also a testament to the importance of preserving biodiversity, as the loss of species like the vampire squid could have cascading effects throughout the ecosystem. As we move forward in our exploration of the ocean, it's essential that we prioritize conservation and sustainability. This means protecting habitats like the deep sea from human impacts, such as overfishing and pollution, and supporting research efforts to better understand these ecosystems. In conclusion, the vampire squid is more than just a fascinating creature. It's a symbol of the awe-inspiring complexity and diversity of life on Earth. I hope you've enjoyed this fascinating tale of adaptation, survival, and conservation. Thanks for tuning into this journey into the world of the vampire squid. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for joining me on this journey into the unknown, and I'll see you next time on your podcast. Name. Music fades out. Neighbor. This episode was brought to you by your sponsor. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.